formatting. Last week we've kind of done colors, how to add colors, okay, to your page, and you guys have gone to do different colors, which is good. So today we're going to do formatting. So what we need to do today, let's create another file. Okay, we're going to create another file. Click on new file, and we also call it text formatting. Okay, let's put it in lowercase. Okay, .html. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, okay, create a file. Okay, call it text formatting.html. Okay, and press enter. That gives you this. Okay, and like we know, the first thing that we need to do is HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag first, and then we do the head, and then after that we do the body. Okay, all right, so this is what we normally do. Okay, so it's bringing something for us, but we don't need those ones anyway. So yeah, we leave those ones. Okay, we don't need all these things that's given to us. Okay, all right, so now what we need to do is to do some text. Okay, we want to have some text. Okay, so the first one that we want to do, I think we started before. So, but now we're going to look at how to manipulate text, how to do text formatting. Okay, we can add our title to the top. Okay, our title, let's call it text formatting. Okay, and in the body, okay, we're going to do H1. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you, Joshua. Okay, title. Okay. In the body, we're going to do H1. Okay. So I will also do text formatting there. Okay. So that's what we want to do today, text formatting. How do we format different text? Okay. So, and when we talk about text formatting, we are going to talk about how we can make a text italics, how we can make it bold, how we can emphasize a text, how we can mark a text, how we can make it smaller. Okay. So different things that we need to do. I'm going to send it something to you now. So okay, so I'm going to do a comment. We're going to talk about this later anyway. So okay, so I'll put the what we're going to look at. I'll just copy and paste that. Okay, all right. So when we are formatting a text, okay, we can do bold, we can do important text, we make it into strong, we can do italics, we can do emphasize a text.
And you can also do U for underlined text.
Yeah, that's right. There's also U as well. Okay, thank you, Joshua. So you can do U for underline. Okay, so yeah. Okay, all right. So that's what we're going to focus on today. Okay, so I've got something because of the time. We are going to put them in paragraphs. Okay, so let's first start with paragraph. Okay, I'm going to do one paragraph. Okay, now the first one is the let's look at the bold, how to make a text bold, okay? So to make a text bold, we need the B, okay? Let me put it an index, okay? B, okay? And you have B and you have the closing tag, okay? So then this is, okay. Let's say this text is bold. Okay, let's try to run it. So what I put here are just comments. We're going to talk about comments. Okay, if you want to comment any text, so they are not going to show. Okay, this is how to do comment. Okay, you just start with a less than great exclamation dot. Okay, and you close it with dash greater than. Anything that you put in there are going to be ignored. Okay, that just for information purpose anyway. So let's run this one. Okay, so I'm going to put that here. Text formatting. HTML. Okay, as you can see that we have that now, text formatting, and this text is bold. Okay, so that's how to do bold one. So we are also going to do another one. Okay, so let's push okay, let's do another one. Oh, it's even giving us another straight. It says strong. This text is important. Okay. And to be honest, that's what we wanted to do actually. So yeah, this text is important for strong. Okay. That is an important text. So, okay. Wow. This is an AI. It's really, really doing well. That is, yeah.
Yeah, when I did my colors, it already knew my colors
Oh,
on
that's
my
good.
rainbow song.
Yeah, that's brilliant. Okay. This is an AI. It's actually getting everything that we put at the top. So yeah, well done. Oh, this is good. Wow, okay. So what else? Superscript. Okay, it was not able to do the other one. Okay, I think it did that this one as well, actually. So which is good. Okay, so this is yeah. Oh, it's even doing the other one as well. Let's see what happens after that. It's not even doing it again anyway, which is good. Okay.
I think I know why it determined that.
Yeah, I think.
As it went in the same order as the comments went. So as you did the first one and the second one, it probably just assumed that you were going to go in that order.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. They actually went in that order. So now let's run our test. Let's see what we have. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see now, this is it. Well, so this text is bold. This one is important. You can see there's no much difference between the bold and the strong. Okay, so you can use them. And italics is that, and emphasize also is similar to italics. Okay, and you now have the mark one, which is basically highlighted. Okay, as you can see like that. So the smaller is basically, yeah, make the text a bit smaller, and deleted may just strike through, right? And inserted, I think, is similar to underline. Okay, so as you can see, that is basically like underlined it anyway. So, and subscript, okay, you may not see the purpose of this, but we're going to check. Let's do something here. Let's put, oh, let's put something, yeah. Let's put something at the top here and say this text is normal, okay? But, okay, we do something like that. So we don't want anything, so that's what we want. Okay, so we want to say, okay, this text is normal, but this text is subscript. Yeah, so let's refresh and see the difference, okay? As you can see, this text is normal, but can you see it's at the bottom, all right? That is a subscript, okay? And this text is normal, but this is the superscript because it's at the top, okay? And so let's just say thank you here, okay? So that we can see the difference. Okay, let's refresh. As you can see, this text is subscript is at the bottom, and this one is at the top because it's the subscript, okay? And this is underlined, okay? So as you can see, this is text formatting. We've been able to format different texts, right? So if you want to put bold in your web page, you know what to do. You put the B or you use the strong. And like we said last week, when you start a tag, you have to close it with the corresponding closing tags. Okay. So for instance, if you do something like this, right, and you forget to close it at the end, let's see what's going to happen. Everything will be bold until, yeah, you close it, as you can see. So, okay, let's say, yeah, you can see everything is kind of bold completely because there's no closing tag at the end. It just assumes that you are bolded, you are making everything bold, okay? So ensure that once you open your tag, okay, you close it, okay? That is really, really important, okay? All right, so, okay, so this is what we're going to do today, all right? So I want you to do it yourself, okay? I'm not going to send the text to you, okay? I'm going to ask you to do it yourself, okay? All right, so that is what we are going to do today for the next 1 hour. Okay. Minutes.
Mr. Deji, did we start doing it?